Har 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 har. I've seen you before. Well, I don't think you have. I mean, who? Anyways, I just came to tell you that. Yo, you okay? You okay? Well, I don't think he is. Should I take him to the hospital or not? No one's around, so I guess I will. Finally brought him to the hospital. Why is the hospital on top of a... I might even want to ask. Doctor! Doctor! Here I am. Why are you a... Don't ask. Anyways, what's the problem? Okay, so, he just started to, cough and then he fell to the ground. Oh, to deal with that, you can treat it yourself. Just give him an ice pack. That won't work, you silly doctor. Now, what's the actual cure? I know that was a joke. No, it's not. Get an ice pack now. The ice pack won't work, sir. It won't work. Then I can't help you. Then let me help him. Just go give me an ice pack then. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back, sir. Well, where's the ice pack? Alright, sir, it's right there. That's not a freaking ice pack, sir! What are you talking about? It's not even an ice pack. What is that? Oh, come on, just try it. He's an animatronic. He don't need no ice pack. That does quite make sense. Anyways, I want to use it. Oof. Okay, I put it on there. Now what is going to happen? I don't know, but just wait for something to happen. Oh, why am I on... Wait, hold on a sec. I'm on the top of a building. Why? You're trying to kill me, aren't you? No. That's not it. That is not it. For some reason, this hospital is on a roof, and yeah. So you now came alive. Oh, okay. Dang, bro, why are you coughing so hard? I don't know, probably because you gave me this Corona 23. What you mean I gave you Corona 23? That's not even a thing yet. Yes, it is. And you gave it to me. So, I'm going to have to give it back to you. Watch. Why did you just cough on me? Aha, now I gave you the... Aha, you have it too. Shut up. Anyways, yeah, now that we have the cough, how are we going to get the cure? I don't know, but we can ask the doctor. We can call him up here. Come on. I'm going to call him up here. Doctor! Oh, what now? Do you think you have a cure for our cough that's really, really bad? Nope, I don't think we really do. How though? Are y'all the best hospital in town or something? 'Cause everyone says you are. We are, but we just don't have a cure for cough. Like y'all's. But you can cure cancer in one little click? Really? Man, I'm gonna go to Ohio. Why are you going to Ohio? We literally live in I don't know what state we live in. Well, I'm going to Ohio just to go to a hospital there. But why specifically Ohio? Oh, I just said a random state out loud, you know? Anyways, we can try to create a cure, but you're going to have to help us with certain tasks. I hate doing tasks, bro. Just tell us. First, what you need to do is build a portal to the end. And then go collect the dragon egg. But before you do that, defeat the ender dragon. What? Is that even real? Yep. And to build the portal, you need a couple eyes of ender. You're kidding me, right? You got to be kidding me, bro. Nope, it is true. You know what? I'm out. Me too. Anyways, how are we gonna get eyes of ender Oh, you okay? Well, I don't know. As I was saying, I really don't know. Well, we can just go ask California hospitals. Why? California hospitals? Really? I mean, yeah, why not? I mean, we could try to go there, but we don't have no plane ticket or anything. Don't worry, I have my space jet. Space jet? We're gonna be flying through space? What? Well, it is a space jet, but it can also fly around the world. So, yeah, we're gonna get on it right now. But the thing is, it is kind of small, though. Let's go try it out. Come on. All right. Really? This is your space jet? I mean, yeah, I'm probably the only one who can fit on it. This is such a stupid idea, but I'm gonna get in here. Me too. Dude, you hit my toe. No, just get in here, bro. This is small. Can we buy another one, please? Fine, we can buy another one. Alright, I ordered it. Really? That fast? Dang, it's dirty in here. You really couldn't afford a nicer one than this? No. Anyway, let's get on it. Dude, your big backpack is in the way. Can you take that thing off? Nope, it's attached to my skin. Then why is it called a backpack? Don't ask me, I don't know. Closing vault. Yo, what the freak? Come in and get your cheese up. Go get your bread. Really? Okay. We actually have to go in there? Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm in here. Door closing. Wait. No. Open. Well, I don't know what to do. I'm just way outside. Alright, I'm here. Okay, thank goodness. My friend's trying to cure a cough, and it's really, really bad, and me and him have it. Oh, yeah, we have that. Anyways, I'm gonna go get the cure real quick. You stay here. Okay, Mr. Fazbear, just eat this A right here. All I gotta do is just... There we go. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Okay. It's done now. Hey, I don't have my coffee anymore. Yay!